welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I am opening up a couple of Porsche 911 vehicles. Actually, they're both 911, yeah. And a 63 Chevy Corvette that I've been able to find locally. This is basically just a quick unboxing or unopening, not really box. It's a Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet. I'm a big fan of the Porsche model cars and happy to have found a couple that I'm like, yeah, I'll add them to my collection. Plan is to make a large diorama 164 scale Porsche dealership and service centre. Already 3D printed a little bit, and I'm going to make the rest, and I'll have that on my channel at a later time. But see where we get with this one. So this was what was the number? 27 of 125 30782, and that's the ID number. Whoops, dropped it. For those who want to know. So grey, metallic, got a bit of a sparkle to it. Front's done well. Porsche logo there. Black underneath there. Light's pretty good. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. Looks like we've got a grille at the back, and I think that's printed in there and printed on a mesh already. Well done. Yep. We have a license plate. See if I can get that to focus. 911, thank you. Actually, I like how the lights are printed too, with the red and the white / silver. Yeah, well done. So looking inside, black on black. I'm going to have to get a light here. It might be too bright. All black, but we do have room for our gauges. It is a, from all I can tell, probably an automatic gearbox. Unless that shifter's way up on the console there. But we actually have pedals, so brake, clutch, and accelerator, so it's a manual. 100%. Yeah, well done. I like that. Don't mind the wheels. Wouldn't bother changing those particular wheels. So we'll put that one aside. Moving on, got a Porsche 911 Targa in red with black wheels. I like the looks of this one too. Very similar, just with the glass top. That's what it looks like, glass top. And I think it's pretty much the same car. It says a Carrera. This one just says Porsche 911 Targa. But it looks like the same, about the same year model. So look at the front, yeah, that's the same. Actually, let's have a closer look at that. Very similar. One's got a bit more of an inside dish, this one there, but also seems to have a bit of red paint there. Yeah, it does. Porsche badge on the front, very nice. Lights look right. Black wheels being about the same. Rear end, got the Porsche 911. I think that says Targa, doesn't it? And on the license plate is Targa, but I'm not sure what that says right there. It's hard to see on this view, but comparing that to the rear end on this one, it's got to be the same model, right? Yeah. Oh, I'm happy with that. Plastic roof, the same as the windscreen's made out of. And to be honest, if I'm going to make this more Targa, I'd probably paint a strip over that black across the back here, leaving the glass on there for now. Unless you want to cut those off, but I don't think we need to. And looking at the artwork, it is definitely a black line there. But I'm happy with this. So 2023 copyright on that, 2023 copyright on that one as well, and they are not the same underneath. Okay. Do we at least have the gearbox at the back? I think so. Alright. Matchbox Porsche. Moving on. Happy to add that one. 63 Chevy Corvette. I like. Very nice. That's the ID number on that one. Not planning on keeping this sealed either. I don't think I've kept any of my Matchbox sealed. Not worried about doing that. Some of the Hot Wheels, yes. Alright, out you come. Put that aside. What have we got across the front there? We've got our... What is that? A Stingray badge or something? Or should we have the 427 on the bonnet? We do. Wow, that is really hard to see. Better in the camera. But the old knock-on wheels. Knock-on hubs. Nice. Okay. Hey, the rear end's done. Very good. Got a license plate on that. 327. It doesn't say 327 in the front, does it? I think it does, actually. No. I can't get that to focus. Hang on, let's see if we can get the camera. I'll put this on a turntable. You'll be able to see in a little bit better there. Also have the markings on the back corner and on the, is it the fuel cap? I think it's the fuel cap on those. Now, interior. Again, black on black on, hang on, it's a grey floor. But we do have accelerator, pedal and clutch in there, left-hand drive. No details on the gauge and stuff. But another quality Matchbox build. And this particular one has been around for a while, I'm guessing. No, 2023, this particular model. Okay. Yeah, not much to it. I like the shape. Definitely will go well in my muscle car collection area. I'm going to put those on the turntable. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. A short one today. Cheers. Bye.